Hello everybody, welcome to my official YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing us here on YouTube, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button so that anytime we upload new video, you will be the first person to say a thank you. So in today's topic, we are going to show you on how you can upgrade your phone RAM, the RAMs of your phone, your Android phone to a higher level. How you can upgrade it from 2 gig RAM to 3 gig RAM, from 3 gig RAM to 4 gig RAM. How you can upgrade it, I'm going to show you step by step. So you are going to follow me. You can see here is my screen. You will follow me the procedure that I'm about to show you. You will first of all go to your setting. So you can see I've seen my setting here. Here is my setting. So I will enter it. I will enter the setting. I've entered it now. Then the next thing you are going to do is that you will look for special function on your phone. So this is my special function. You can see it here, special function. Then you touch it. I'm going to touch it. After you have touched it, then you look for memory function. So you touch it. When you have touched it, you see the first one here. You see the option that is showing here, that current RAM space. You can see 4 plus 3, which is 7 gig RAM. Then you can see when the phone has enough RAM space, it supports converting part of the space into virtual RAM to make the system run more smoothly. So the memory feature, so you are going to turn it on. If you have not turned it on before, you touch it, then it will change to green dot there. Then after you have changed it, you will now go to this second one here. You will go to this particular one, set visual RAM. Then you touch it. I'm going to touch it for you to see now. You can see I've touched it. You see 1 gig RAM, 2 gig RAM, then 3 gig RAM. This is where you can increase the RAM of your phone to a higher RAM. So that is how you do it. After you have seen it, you have select the one you want to use, you touch it. When you have touched it, you touch this modify. You touch the modify here. After you have touched it, after you have seen the one you like, you press the OK or modify. Then the phone, you switch, or after you have modified it, you switch off your phone and re-on it again. Then your phone will automatically increase in RAM. So that is how you increase the RAM of your phone. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button so that anytime we upload video, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you for watching. Bye.